Okay, so here you see my mom. She's just rubbing the chicken. She actually put in Worcestershire sauce and I believe just some pressed garlic. She added a little water to that. Now she is trying to get some green onions out of a bag. She just used, I think, about two of them. She cleaned them off and then she cut them and put them in the chicken. Yeah, she has on gloves because she has this thing about raw meat in her hands. So don't mind that. Just know that the gloves didn't alter the taste of the chicken, so it doesn't taste like latex or anything. Ooh, sorry y'all, I'm just yawning. It's late and I'm doing this voiceover. So yeah, she's rinsing it and um cutting it at the same, or yeah, trimming it at the same time. So she just did a rough chop, nothing big. Now she's gonna season it. So she's taking the adobo with the blue top. We didn't have a lot, so she's gonna make up for that in a little bit. Then she's gonna use the Lawry's seasoned salt, just a little couple shakes of that, probably like 3 to 4. Aiden's trying to help. Now she's getting the black pepper. Like I said, she was compensating for not having enough adobo, so these are parsley flakes. Um, and I don't know what, it just has a whole bunch of, it has parsley, of course, and then, you know, garlic and onion powder and all that stuff. So she's just rubbing all the chicken, making sure the seasoning gets to all the chicken. Yeah. And then, so I just showed you the Worcestershire sauce to show which one I used. It doesn't really matter. Ooh, I keep yawning. And she added a little more water, because she wants there to be some sauce. There's something you want to know about Haitians. Haitians love sauce. We love sauce. Now she's adding some olive oil to the chicken, extra virgin olive oil. And then she's gonna lay it in the pot, skin side down, and just arrange it so that everything fits. And she's gonna pour the rest of the sauce on top of that, and then adding some water to that so then that she can get the rest of the seasonings at the bottom. She went and got some flour so then that she could sprinkle it on the chicken, so then that the sauce is a little bit thicker and not too watery, because then the flavor isn't as enhanced. But you can't taste the flour at all with the sauce, so don't be afraid of that. If that's what you think, you're not even gonna be able to tell. That's pickles. I think I show y'all that every time. And she's pouring the rest of that in there. She's heating the oven at 300, and you're gonna put the chicken in there at 300 for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then she's gonna season it again with some hot sauce. And then after that, or I'm sorry, for an hour, and then after that at 350 for 30 to 45 minutes, during which you would put the your own vegetables. And this she has in onions, bell peppers, and I think that's it. And of course the pima, or the Scotch bonnet pepper. She always puts it in the middle. She doesn't, break the skin or anything. She just sits it in there, and it does actually add flavor to the chicken. It's not bad flavor. It's just I don't like it because sometimes it can break, so you just got to be really careful about that. Um, so yeah, 300 for an hour. Um, then after that, 350 for 30 to 45 minutes. And for the sauce to get that color, she puts tomato paste in there. She just rubs it in there. And she typically waters down the tomato paste a little bit before she puts it in there. Otherwise, the sauce is gonna be too thick. So yeah, I think that's about it. You can use whatever vegetables that you like. So thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you good people later. Peace.